The Reports option is used to print any one of the following pre-formatted reports shipped with Proteus MMX. These reports contain helpful information such as the equipment downtime, cost history, and labor costs. The information is obtained from the Proteus MMX database tables. Reports can be sent on a daily basis utilizing the following automation under Settings. Auto Print Reports. Select the reports that you would like to have sent on the left side and complete the email dialog box on the right side. When you select any of the reports from the Report menu, you will see a list of all records available for that report. At this point, you can select which records you'd want to see on the report in a number of ways. 1. Select records individually using your mouse and the Control or Shift icons on your keyboard. 2. On the icon row, select all rows on a page to select the all records on the current page, or select all rows to select all records on all of the pages. 3. Use the white search field below the field names to find the information you want to show up on the report. Note: you can use the search filter to search dates by selecting the option for Is Between, then select the records using steps 1 or 2 above. To generate the report with the desired records, select the Build Reports icon on the top left of the icon row.